Hi guys, welcome to my new apartment. I still can't believe I'm even filming this right now. This is officially my empty apartment tour, a new beginning for me and my family, and I'm so excited to take you guys along on this journey. So when you first walk up the stairs, this is what you see. I love the lighting in here. It looks really nice, especially during the day. And over here is my kitchen. I love how much storage there is and how nice the countertops and the backsplash are. It's a definite upgrade from my previous apartment for sure. And then we have a laundry area over here, which we're really excited about because who wants to be going to the laundromat? Not me anymore. The washing machine doesn't come included, but we will be getting our own. So we're excited about that. A lot of the junk that you see around the home during this tour will be removed by the landlord, and the color of the rooms upstairs will also be changed. There's still some little work that he needs to do before we move in, but this was when we got the keys, so it'll definitely be ready when we move in. This area right here, I plan to make our dining area with a 4-chair kind of situation. Can't wait for that. I have so many ideas to bring to life. And this is the bathroom. Simple, clean. I already have some ideas to make it feel a little more aesthetic and put together. I love that we have cabinet storage. I didn't have that in my previous apartment. I hope to put some shelves back here. It'll look really nice. Some little added decor back there. Now the living space is very large, which we love, so I'll be making this little area right here my nail space. I'm really excited about this because it's something I've been wanting to build and grow more. I want to make it really cute, keep the same vibes from before, but it'll be like its own little area. And I was even thinking maybe even adding a pedicure chair, but we'll see. I saw some really cute ones that wouldn't, make the space look like you're just stepping into like a flat out salon and doesn't match. But I'll definitely be keeping the same kind of cohesive style throughout the whole space, even though it's different purpose for each side. And this side here is going to be the living room area. I already have a lot of ideas for how to put the layout, maybe the couch facing the windows, the TV stand over there and things. I want this space to feel really warm and peaceful and just somewhere we can all come together and relax and feel at home. So now let's go upstairs and I'll show you guys the bedrooms. So this first room right here is going to be my mom's room. She's gonna paint it white. That's the style she wants. I really want her to feel comfortable and at peace in her space, so I'm excited to decorate this in a way that feels cozy for her. And this second room here is my daughter's room. She has already her Pinterest board set up. She wants a loft bed, her walls to be white as well, and she wants pink and white, decorations, and that's the theme of her room. Very girly. I just want to make it cute and fun and a space that she really enjoys being in. And lastly, we have my room. I want this space to feel really peaceful and minimal since it will also be my workspace. I want it to still feel like I can unwind in here and, reset at the end of the day. I'm honestly really grateful for this apartment. I can't believe the price. I can't believe this one is actually $100 more than where we lived before. So that feels like a steal to me. Move-in day cannot come fast enough. We can already picture ourselves here, and we just keep thinking about all the things that we want to do. You already know my Pinterest board is going crazy, saving ideas. So can't wait to show you guys that process of decorating each space. And don't forget to leave your comments too on any ideas you guys have for each space. And let me know which room was your favorite or what was your favorite part of one of the rooms. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the upcoming vlog, which will be the moving vlog, and you don't want to miss it. So stay tuned for the next video, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.